So now we're going to do a problem where the numbers are a little bigger. And this also has two variables, but we know to split it x and y. So the first thing to do would be to look for a greatest common factor, but there isn't one, so there goes that idea. So what multiplies to be 18? Well, you got 1 and 9, 2 and, oh, no you don't, you have 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and 3 and 6. Okay, and then what multiplies to be 10? Well, it could be 1 and 10 or 2 and 5. Okay, so those are like all the different combinations we have. There's like 6 different trials, plus we have a negative, so one of them is positive and one of them is negative. So there's all kinds of like 12 different combinations. Okay, I would start with the 6 and the 3, so 6x and 3x. So we're doing this by trial and error, and then I'm just going to hope for the best. And then I'm going to try the 2 and the 5. So maybe I'll put the 2 here, and I'll put the 5 here. Now, this was a negative, oops. Okay, so I had a mistake. I said 2, and I wrote 5. All right, there's the 2. So it's a negative 10. One of them has to be negative. So I'll put the negative here and the positive here. And it has to be a y, a negative 2y and a 5y. So there's a lot going on in this problem. You got, all kinds of things to remember and deal with. Okay, now we'll check the middle term. I know this is 18x squared, and I know this is negative 10y squared. It's the middle term. So I'm getting a negative 6xy, and I'm getting a positive 30xy, and that totals up to be, what, 24xy? So I'm thinking, okay, well, that didn't work. It's supposed to be a negative 3. I could switch my signs, but all that's going to do is make it a negative 24. So I won't try that. My next try, I'm going to try putting the 5y here and the 2y over here. Now I'll make one negative and one positive. And the thing about the signs is if you come up with the opposite of what you want, like you come up with a positive 3xy and we're trying to get a negative 3xy, it just means your signs need to be switched. Okay, so we'll check the middle term. I get a negative 15xy and I get a positive 12xy. Ooh, this is good. All right, that's a negative 3xy. So it worked on the second try, but there were lots of different combinations. So did we get lucky? Yeah, we got lucky. Okay, so it's a negative 3xy's, and that's what I want in the original problem. It was negative 3xy. So my answer is going to be 6x minus 5y times 3x plus 2y. And there we go. All right.